If you want to make money online, start a business, or build a powerful career in 2026, then digital marketing is one of the most important skills you can learn today. But here's the problem. Most beginners feel overwhelmed. SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, paid ads, affiliate marketing. There are so many things to learn that most people don't know where to start. So in this video, I'm going to give you a complete beginner's guide to digital marketing in 2026. By the end of this video, you will understand what digital marketing is, the major types of digital marketing, the skills you must learn first, and how you can start even with zero experience. Let's get started. What is digital marketing? Let's start with the basics. Digital marketing simply means promoting products or services using the internet and digital technologies. Instead of traditional marketing like newspapers, radio, or billboards, digital marketing happens on platforms like Google, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, websites, emails. Businesses use these platforms to reach customers online. Because today, most people spend hours every day on the internet. Digital marketing allows businesses to reach their target audience faster, cheaper, and more effectively than traditional marketing. And that's why companies are investing billions of dollars every year in digital marketing. Digital marketing is powerful for three main reasons. Businesses need it. Every business wants more customers, more traffic, more sales. Digital marketing helps them achieve these goals. It creates career opportunities. You can work as a digital marketer, social media manager, SEO specialist, content creator, affiliate marketer, or even start your own online business. You can work from anywhere. One of the biggest advantages of digital marketing is that it allows people to work remotely. Many digital marketers work from home and earn income online. Now let's talk about the main types of digital marketing. Understanding these will help you choose where to focus first. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO means optimizing your website or content so it ranks on Google search results. For example, when someone searches best laptops for students, Google shows websites that are optimized for SEO. SEO helps businesses get free traffic from search engines. A key part of SEO is link building, which increases website authority and improves rankings. 2. Content marketing. Content marketing means creating valuable content to attract an audience. Examples include blog posts, YouTube videos, podcasts, guides, infographics. The goal is to educate or entertain people while promoting a brand. This is one of the most powerful strategies in digital marketing. 3. Social media marketing. Social media marketing means promoting a brand on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube. Businesses use these platforms to build communities, increase brand awareness, promote products. 4. Email marketing. Email marketing involves sending messages to people who subscribe to your email list. Businesses use email marketing to promote products, share updates, nurture relationships with customers. It remains one of the highest ROI marketing strategies. 5. Pay-per-click advertising, PPC. This is paid advertising. Examples include Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads. Businesses pay when someone clicks their advertisement. Paid ads can generate fast traffic and sales. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission for every sale. For example, you recommend a product on YouTube. If someone buys through your link, you earn money. This is one of the most popular ways to make money online today. To understand digital marketing better, you need to know the marketing funnel. Every online business goes through 3 stages. Stage 1, traffic. First, you attract people using SEO, social media, ads, content. Stage 2. Next, you collect their contact information. Example, email sign-up, free ebook, free training. Stage 3, sales. Finally, you promote a product or service. This is how digital marketing converts attention into income. If you're starting in 2026, focus on these 4 essential skills. 1. Content creation. Content is the foundation of digital marketing. Examples: videos, blog posts, social media posts. 2. Copywriting. Copywriting means writing persuasive messages that make people take action. For example, clicking a link, subscribing, buying a product. 3. SEO. Learning SEO will help you generate free organic traffic. 4. Analytics. Analytics helps you measure results. You can see how many people visit your website, which content performs best, which campaigns generate sales. If you want to start today, follow this simple roadmap. Step 1. Choose a niche. Pick something you are interested in. Examples: fitness, technology, finance, education. Step 2. Choose a platform. Start with one platform. Examples: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, a blog. Step 3. Create valuable content. Focus on helping people solve problems. The more value you provide, the faster your audience grows. Step 4. Build an audience. Consistency is the key. Post content regularly and engage with your audience. Step 5. Monetize. Once you have an audience, you can make money through affiliate marketing, selling digital products, online courses, consulting. Digital marketing is one of the most powerful skills you can learn in the digital economy. It allows you to grow businesses, build online brands, generate income online. And the best part is that anyone can learn it. All you need is the right knowledge, consistent practice, and patience. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, digital marketing, AI tools for making money online, then make sure you subscribe to this channel Learn to Earn, because I will be posting videos every week to help you learn digital skills and earn online. And before you go, comment below and tell me, why do you want to learn digital marketing? I'd love to hear from you.
Thank you.